The Japs call it the bullet, and it looks like a bullet, this super express that thrusts aside all existing ideas of train speed. It runs on rail lengths a mile long, on which it has reached 150 miles an hour on a trial run. Even then, it wasn't flat out. On regular runs between Tokyo and Osaka, nearly 500 miles,
they said it couldn't be done. Traveling at unimaginable speeds, gliding on rails with unparalleled precision sounds like science fiction, right? But the bullet train made this a reality, forever changing the way we think about transportation. How did this marvel of engineering go from a bold idea to revolutionizing train travel across the world? It wasn't overnight. The journey to the bullet train was long, filled with challenges and innovations that shaped the technology we see today. Stick around as we take you inside the world of bullet trains, from history to cutting-edge technology, each step packed with jaw-dropping details you won't want to miss. The visionary beginning a dream of speed. The story of the bullet train starts in post-war Japan. In the 1950s, Japan was rebuilding from the devastation of World War II, and their economy was on the rise. But the country faced a major problem: transportation. The existing trains couldn't handle the growing population, and the highways were overcrowded. Japan needed a faster, more efficient way to move people between cities. That's when a group of engineers dreamed up an idea: a high-speed train that could travel much faster than anything ever built before. The bullet train, also known as the Shinkansen, was born out of necessity. It wasn't just about speed, it was about efficiency, comfort, and the ability to move large numbers of people in record time. But turning this dream into reality was no easy task. Imagine this: a train capable of traveling at speeds of over 300 km/h, 186 mph, without leaving the ground. A feat like this had never been attempted before. Every part of the train had to be designed with precision, from the aerodynamic shape to the lightweight materials. But how exactly did they do it? Let's break it down. Designing the bullet train. Before the first piece of metal is cut, the bullet train begins its journey as a design on a computer screen. Engineers and designers spend months, sometimes years, fine-tuning every detail. The shape of the train is key to its speed. A bullet train is designed to be aerodynamic, meaning it cuts through the air with minimal resistance. This is why the train has a streamlined, sleek shape, almost like a speeding bullet, hence the name. The design team doesn't just focus on speed, they also prioritize passenger comfort. Inside the train, they design the seating arrangements, lighting, air conditioning, and noise reduction systems. Every detail is aimed at giving passengers a smooth, quiet ride, even at speeds that can reach over 300 km/h. The materials used. You can't build a bullet train with just any material. It needs to be strong enough to handle high speeds and lightweight enough to not slow it down. The body of the train is often made from aluminum alloys. Why? Aluminum is light but strong, perfect for a train that needs to be both fast and durable. But it's not just about the exterior. The interior materials are chosen with care too. Seats, for instance, are made from lightweight materials but are designed to be comfortable for long journeys. Every gram saved in the materials used means the train can go a little faster, making the choice of materials critical to the overall performance. Building the train's body.
What was it happening? Air was building in front of the train as it entered a tunnel. The compressed air created a sound wave, and as this left the tunnel, boom! A sound like a gunshot.
Once the design is finalized and the materials are chosen, the construction begins. The body of the train is built in sections, almost like putting together a giant puzzle. Each section is crafted to be incredibly precise. After all, when you're traveling at hundreds of kilometers per hour, even a tiny flaw can have big consequences. Robots play a big role in this process. They cut the metal with lasers and weld the pieces together with a level of precision that humans just can't match. These robots ensure that every part fits perfectly, helping the train stay aerodynamic and safe. The power behind the speed. How does a bullet train move so fast? The secret lies in its electric motors. Unlike traditional trains that run on diesel engines, bullet trains are powered by electricity. But it's not just any electricity. Bullet trains use high-voltage electric power that gives them the boost they need to achieve such high speeds. The motor is a marvel of engineering. Located beneath the train, it works by converting electrical energy into mechanical energy, which turns the wheels and propels the train forward. These motors are incredibly efficient, making sure that the train accelerates smoothly without wasting energy. The energy efficiency of these motors is another reason why bullet trains are considered eco-friendly transportation options. Track technology more than just rails. What good is a high-speed train without tracks that can handle such speeds? The tracks for a bullet train are much different from regular train tracks. First, they're built with materials that can withstand the wear and tear of constant high-speed use. Most importantly, the tracks are laid with extreme precision, ensuring there are no bumps or gaps that could cause problems at high speeds. The tracks are also designed with special technology that reduces friction. Less friction means the train can glide more smoothly, using less energy and maintaining higher speeds. Some bullet trains even use magnetic levitation maglev technology, which lifts the train slightly off the tracks, eliminating friction entirely and allowing for even greater speeds. Safety features keeping passengers safe at high speeds. When a train is moving this fast, safety is a top priority. Bullet trains are equipped with some of the most advanced safety systems in the world. These systems are designed to detect any problems on the tracks or with the train and automatically slow down or stop the train if needed. One of the key safety features is the automatic braking system. If there's an obstacle on the track, or if the train is going too fast around a curve, the system will apply the brakes without any human intervention. This kind of technology ensures that bullet trains have an excellent safety record, even though they operate at such high speeds. Testing, making sure everything works. Before a new bullet train hits the tracks, it goes through rigorous testing. This process involves running the train on special test tracks at different speeds, sometimes even faster than it would normally go with passengers. The goal is to make sure the train can handle extreme conditions, whether it's high-speed winds, heavy rain, or sudden stops. During testing, engineers look for any signs of problems. If they notice anything, they'll go back and tweak the design or construction to fix it. This process can take months, but it's a crucial step to make sure the train is safe and reliable. Control centers keeping the trains running smoothly. Bullet trains don't just run on their own. They're part of a larger system, controlled by high-tech control centers. These control centers monitor the trains in real time, tracking their speed, location, and any potential issues. If there's a problem, such as bad weather or something on the track, the control center can send a signal to the train to slow down or stop. These centers also manage train schedules, making sure that all trains run on time and don't interfere with each other on the tracks. Passenger experience, comfort meets speed. While the technology behind bullet trains is impressive, let's not forget about the passenger experience. From the moment you step on board, everything is designed to be as comfortable as possible. The seats are spacious, and the windows are large, offering beautiful views of the landscape speeding by. In addition to comfort, bullet trains offer conveniences like Wi-Fi, power outlets, and onboard meals, making the journey not only fast but also enjoyable. Some trains even have luxury classes with more legroom, private compartments, and premium services. It's clear that while speed is the main attraction, passenger satisfaction is also a top priority. Maintenance, keeping bullet trains in top condition. Even after the bullet train is built and running, the work isn't done. These trains require regular maintenance to keep them in perfect condition. Maintenance teams inspect the trains daily, checking everything from the wheels to the braking systems to ensure there are no issues. In fact, some parts of the train are replaced on a regular schedule, even if they aren't showing signs of wear. This proactive maintenance approach ensures that bullet trains can run at high speeds day after day without any problems. But the future of bullet trains. As impressive as today's bullet trains are, the future looks even more exciting. Engineers are constantly working on new designs and technologies to make bullet trains faster, more efficient, and even more environmentally friendly. We could soon see trains that travel at over 500 kilometers per hour thanks to advancements in maglev technology. Additionally, many countries are investing in expanding their bullet train networks, making it easier and faster for people to travel across vast distances. The future of transportation is fast, and bullet trains are leading the way. The making of a bullet train is truly a combination of science, technology, and innovation. From the initial design to the moment it hits the tracks, every step is meticulously planned and executed. And as technology continues to evolve, the bullet train will only get better, faster, safer, and more efficient. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into the next phases of high-speed travel, where the limits of what's possible are constantly being pushed. That's the amazing process of how bullet trains are made: speed, precision, and innovation all rolled into one. If you found this interesting and want to see more, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss our latest videos. Thanks for watching.